Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily connect an email in Salesforce 2022. If you ever worked with Salesforce, you know it's a little bit tricky, all the setups, all the account informations, adding the emails, and basically tweaking everything around Salesforce how you like it. So I'm going to show you in this couple of videos the easier ways how to add, for example, your email account into your Salesforce account. So we are going to use this new feature called Global Actions. And all down, it's in the top right corner. When we scroll down, the last option is email. In this email, you see when you click on it, you have to connect your email and calendar. Your Salesforce admin gave you access to Einstein Activity Capture, which helps keep your email and calendar in sync with Salesforce. Connect account. Straight away, we can pick, without going into settings, our email. Connect with my Google account. I'm going to log it in now. Basically, what you have to do is allow. And yet again, once we're here, whoopsie, we want to click on plus, email, and you see you can already write it down. A little bit of shenanigans with recording, obviously, but it doesn't matter. So that's how you add easily email to your Salesforce account. If you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.